I have Absolute Air come into my home once a year to just go through the various mechanical equipment that I have in my home. I've got heat pumps and a boiler system. It's just always a good idea to have your heating systems annually inspected and serviced to keep them running efficiently. Once Absolute Air finishes up with their service of your mechanical equipment, they let you know any issues or problems that they found with your equipment and the next steps moving forward. When I do home inspections, I find that about 50% of mechanical equipment in people's homes has been neglected. When I've recommended Absolute Air to my clients or to my customers, they're not just trying to sell somebody a piece of equipment. If that particular piece of equipment has service life still left in it, Absolute Air will take care of that client with whatever service or maybe a few upgrades that need to happen within that piece of equipment. It's nice to know that you have an HVAC company like Absolute Air that can come in, do the proper diagnostics and service equipment. It's a peace of mind for myself and my clients, knowing that Absolute Air has qualified technicians that can address any issues that you may have in your home.